Yo, what is up, everybody? How is everybody doing this wonderful afternoon? Gustavo, Frazier, Big Blaze, 897, Crypto Kata, Burn It, J King. How hard is TPO? You know, TPO is as hard as you make it, my friend. It's really not that difficult. We'll go over it a little bit today, and I will show you the way. Right? You just gotta stick with me. Take the red pill a little bit, and you'll be good to go, my friend. You'll be good to go. So, big day, big day, big day, right? Eric Smith, Fraser Rhodes, Otto, Marcin, Duper, Caesar, JD, J King. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Steve, hello, hello. So let's take a peek real quick and see what's going on with the ES, and then we'll get into a recap of the trades. ES is on the low. So this is the level we were watching this morning. Remember, we drew this level, 44. We said if we get below 90, that we were going to spill a little bit, and it looks like, that's what happened. Those of you guys that stayed on, we came back down to about the 86, so yesterday's value area low. So not bad, not bad. Practice makes perfect. Exactly, exactly. And J King, the best thing is that we got a community full of people that are, willing to help out as much as they can. So, if you are new, and I think you are, scroll down and you'll see a Discord link. Join that Discord and introduce yourself and say what's up. Tune into some of the streams and you'll be good. Mad Cats, AMAA, Maya, I guess, Boots, Bearish Bull, Steve. What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? TPO is basically the market x-ray. Yes, yes. And so you see that we got this liquidation, right? We have single prints above, so we had a liquidation. We had this is a long covering, right? So this is how we know there's supply in the market. Supply is pushing it down, built a position. And this was a pretty easy spot, right? Probably could have stayed on. We saw earlier that we saw that the market was kind of holding it up right here, popped up and then sold off, right? So there's a bunch of people trying to get long, thinking we're going to go, but ultimately, and we talked about this last night on the stream as well, we have this balance zone, right? So we're back in our balance zone. We talked about this, that if we couldn't get up, test some of these highs, and we broke this level, that's why we drew this level here, that we were probably going to fall back down into our balance zone. And that's what happened. So not too bad. Good trade plan. We stuck to the trade plan, followed it well, and yeah, it worked out great. Double R, change my Discord name. Nice. Steve Mills up 13% after giving back some on high risk. Not bad. 13% is pretty good though. Peyton, JJ, Aaron, how's it going? How's it going? Hope everyone's having a wonderful afternoon. Let's see here. Okay, let's get into some of these trades, guys. We can look over the review of the trades. And you see, you guys can see this probably. So you see that we finished up $1,400 today. Today was a pretty nice day, right? We managed risk really well. 73% on the long side, 92% on the short side, although it was pretty much a short day. Pretty much everything was short. The biggest thing is managing risk, right? So the average losing trade was 78, average winning trade was 51. So not really that great, but look at my profit factor, 3.53%. So that just means that I cut trades quick and got out of the way. So that's what I'm mainly looking after, is trying to get that profit factor up, right? So this is the market open right here, 9:30. Right off market open, we saw some big size sellers come in and push the market down a little bit. and then we got it bought up. It traded sideways. And so what we were looking for is if they were going to break past this, these sellers, right? They weren't able to. So I loaded up 4 contracts here, took some here, sat through this, probably should have taken some profit. I saw these sellers come in and thought we were going to get a little bit down, had my stop loss, came back and it stopped me out. Second trade that I took was here. I added 2 here, went through the rotation. We saw some good sellers come in, but then some buyers stepped up. As it popped up, you saw these buyers just get kind of smacked on the heads, sellers, so I added some more. Ended up taking 1 off right here, and then added 3 more on the way down. So 1 here, and then 3 right here. And those traded down to here. So right here and right here. We had this big flush. This happened quick. I wasn't able to capture most of it. So kind of disappointed in myself for not capturing more of this move, right? Definitely should have been able to. Ended up taking this one on just 1 tick, these 2, and then 2 right here. So definitely should have had more on this one, but wasn't able to kind of keep up. Kind of a little bit distracted, I guess, too. Ended up getting short again. Kind of got lucky on this one because it just got out of the way. So shorted here after we broke some structure. We broke down, got short, took some for a point, took 2 off for a point, trailed the other one, closed it for 1 tick. Small size right there. We just had moved down too much. I didn't want to kind of get in the way. For this trade right here, this was on the long side. Ended up getting long here. We had all these buyers. We were forming some nice structure. We had a pullback, but it came right back to the top of structure. So I added 2 more, took 1 for a profit on these, added 2 more here, and then just kind of trailed my way out, right? Just kind of sized in and sized out on this trade. So, and then ended up getting stopped on the last one here. And this is 10:30. Then I did 1 more trade. Did a lot of trades today, guys. We're in a lot. So shorted here when it rejected. So we got our little corner kick play, you know, same thing as the futures, or same thing as crypto. Took some here, and then trailed the last one, took it at the same spot. So not too bad.
New big trade.
These big trades coming through right here. How do I read this chart? So this is called a footprint chart. So order flows chart. And so basically what you're looking at here is everything on the left side is what trades on the bid, and everything on the right side is what trades on the ask. And if it's in red, that means it's 3.5 times higher than its diagonal counterpart. So you look at it diagonally like this. So that's why some of these are red. So 105 is higher. Today's my first official day. Gained 6.66 in 1 trade this morning, UK, and watched the charts with Brad and the gang all afternoon. Now getting the knowledge and what time to be alive. Hell yeah, Double R, good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, guys, post your post your gains, right? But like post a review. I'd love to get some reviews that I can put on the website, right? That'd be awesome. If you guys are willing to share and stuff like that, you know, that'd be super cool. Monitors, good evening. Yeah, big love to the fam, man. Most definitely. I think this happened after, yeah. So this is after we got off. We were only on for 2 hours today, guys. Two quick hours. Let's take a peek at the ETH chart. We did take some ETH trades during the stream today. And so, like we talked about, we're not looking for huge gains when we're trading this. We're not looking for, you know, mile-long trades. But we are looking to get some gains, right? So here's the ETH trade. Ended up getting in 26. Well, that's actually the second trade. Let's go to the first trade. So the first trade ended up getting at 25.99, right? And we were just getting on like right before it decided to break this Z period W U. We just knew we had some stops, and then we took our trade plan, right? The trade kept going, but this was our trade plan. We did have some pullbacks in E. That's kind of what took me out. I had moved my stop up, but ended up breaking it and coming back down, but still a pretty good gain, right? about um it was 8 on one, 15 on another one, 11 on another one. So not too bad, not too bad. The second trade though, the second trade was actually really nice. So the second trade actually nailed the top, kind of not the tip top, but got out at 55, which is right where our level was at. So as you can see, I sized up in this trade. You kind of see a couple random orders, is because as it kind of just bounced around. So this is pretty much where all these orders came in. As it kind of just bounced around right here, I just started adding positions. I just added a couple more, and then we finally got that takeoff, and we took most of it off at 39, right, as you can see. And then we took one at 55. We had moved our stop up to 39, which was right below our impulse area. And then after this G period pulled back, it took us out. It looks like it ran a little bit more once we got off the stream, which is nice. Anyone that stayed in, I know a couple people were talking about staying in. So if you guys did, it's good stuff. Congrats. And yeah. But I just wanted to get on, do a review, do a recap, reach out to some of the other people that, didn't get to get the full experience. It can kind of throw off somebody's routine. We've been doing a live stream pretty much every single day, and now all of a sudden we're kind of we're in the live trade room. So it's I want to still be able to share the message and help some people out. We're putting in a poor low on the ES right now. So this is what James and I were talking about yesterday, right? So we have poor low here, poor low here, poor low, or that's not poor low here, right? So the market needs to show some supply. If we break this, we're gonna show some downward movement probably, which would be cool with me. I got those options.
New big trade.
Oh, and then also we can take a look at what happened with our options today. Let's do that. Let's duplicate this bad boy in a new tab. And let's take a peek at the old Facebook. So we shorted Facebook today. We shorted Facebook, CCL, and DAL. As you can see, Facebook's trading on its low, so that's good news for us. These options, they don't expire until September, but we've got some room
big trade
to the downside. There's some big trades coming on, probably on the ES. I imagine big sell sweeps on Bitcoin though. But yeah, look at Facebook's just here. Let me make this look pretty. I'm so shiny. If you guys do me a favor, just go ahead and blast that like button so we can get this message out there. J King, did you find the Discord, my friend? One second, guys. This is kind of weird doing this. See if we can, I'm just trying to make this a little bit bigger for you guys so we don't put 100, like, whoa, too much. Wow, 10. There we go. All right. Yeah, so we see Facebook's trading nice and low. That's what we're looking for. Got some space down here that it can really get going. Here goes ETH to the downside. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, yep. Breaking it, come back into value. I'm really waiting for Bitcoin to drop. I'm still holding that Bitcoin short, so Bitcoin can just keep going down, that'll be cool. Let's take a look at ECL. This one wasn't doing as hot as Facebook was, but it looks like it's on its way down now, so that's pretty good. Like I said, these have till September, so we've got some time. This was just me pretty much assuming that they weren't going to get that deal done. We do need to break this lower. I might have to close these out. I got about 30 minutes before, so I have to close these out. And then the other one we got short on today was DAL. Wanted to get filled on a couple other airlines. Look, we've got some liquidation in Delta, and Delta broke the low, so this thing's going to go down. Mark this right here. Mark this low. So 39, that's be our target. These are all at the money. So. Let's see here. I'm trying to pull up the options. Yeah, so those Facebooks are up 9%. DAL's up 12%. The CCLs are up 8%. So not a huge percentage. Maybe we'll get a nice little sell-off at the end of the day. Probably be some buying, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'm still kind of waiting for Bitcoin to get a little breakdown. It looks like it wants to go, but every time it looks like it wants to go, it just doesn't. Any chance I can pull up a heat map on the chart and explain it? Oh yeah, we could do it right now, man. It just wasn't working this morning. I don't know what the fucking problem was. But so here's the heat map for the ES, right? Now I can make this bigger so we can actually see the TPO. So basically, and if you look right here, there is a big order sitting on this choose the cursor, this 80, right? So there's 845 contracts sitting on this level. So that means when this comes down here, they're looking to buy. What this probably is they probably bought a bunch right here, and they're trying to hold the market up and just get out of their position as much as possible. You can see all the volume right here. So they're trying to kind of scare the market up. And these are all resting orders. So there's some selling back here. This volume back here in this volume. This thing's not on tick replay, so it's only loading since I've had the trader on. I just turned it back on. One thing I tend to do, oh, there goes Bitcoin. Nice. ETH's going. Nice. Scott, did you catch that ETH? Short. Nice short. Volume coming in too. Giving back all of the gains from this morning. Just back to the same spot we went long this morning. What's up, Josh? Stack. What's up? But yes, so basically that's all it is. These are just resting orders in the book, and this is executed orders. So these are orders that actually got in. You know it, that's right. And these are resting orders. So this guy's saying that if it comes down to the 80, he's going to buy 118 contracts. So it doesn't necessarily mean it's one buyer. It could be multiple buyers. We are seeing some offers move down here. We finally saw we broke that low. Now we have some good excess. Let's go back to our ES chart and see where we failed at. So we still have these poor lows down here. There's a poor low there, and there's a poor low here. Let's see if we can break that low. That's the previous day's low. This is Friday's cash session low was the 82, and you can see that overnight market just kind of rallied up, but couldn't hold any of the gains. You got a bunch of short inventory. We had a lot of people kind of trapped long. That's why this liquidation spot, right? So as you can see, like A period opened up overnight. Yeah, they're limit orders. Pushed up. You had a bunch of buying coming on up here, and as soon as we traded below, we liquidated, right? So a nice double distribution. People were able to get a hold of the position, take it back down, and now we're pressing down to previous day's high. Next levels down from there are going to be, well, I guess that wouldn't be considered a poor low, actually.
New big trade.
It got traded through. This is the other poor low I was talking about. Right to the tick. See if it goes. Next level down is gonna be this G low. Hey Christian, thank you, man. Thank you. G low, then the E low, and then this value area low. We'll see what happens. It's kind of bouncing right off of there. So if we go back to our oh, where's our heat map at? Where did it go? Let's see here. There it is. If we go back to our heat map, you can see that these this guy that was on the 80, he's still sitting there, but his size is gone, and you see some buyers moving up, right, to the 82. So as this comes down to this 82 level, you want to see if these orders are actually going to get executed. You're sitting on the 82. You can zoom in, try to see if he's getting executed. It doesn't look like it. So these white squares are just showing us where the limit orders are sitting and how long they've been sitting there. All right, so this order's been sitting there for a while. This guy, he was sitting there, he moved. He was sitting there, he moved. He was sitting there, now he's sitting there in bigger size. Some sell orders that came in here kind of ran away. There's a pretty decent sized sell order up here, and then the selling gets a little bit heavier up to the top. But you can see this 1520 right here. But price didn't go down, so there's probably some absorption going on right here. Serendipity, hey. Andy's, what's up? Been missing you, man. Haven't seen you in a while. Didn't hear you in the trade room this morning. So if it's not breaking if it's not breaking this level, and there's all this selling going on, so this guy's probably just trading on the bid, right? So basically what's happening is these sellers are just selling into the bid to get into the market, trying to break the low, right? And it takes supply to break the low. Well, there's more demand right now right here than supply, and that's why you can't break the low. So let's see if he tries it again. This guy has 555 contracts, 539. Let's see if they reload. 31, 32. You just want to see these pull. If these pull, market will come down. If this guy stays, because it looks like they're barely getting filled, and it doesn't look like he's buying. There's the break. He's reloading. Nothing traded on the ask down here, but price moved up. Oh, you're in Spain. Oh, that's right. You're on your man. You're on your honeymoon, or not honeymoon, but like you're on a trip with your wife, right? Annalise? Not bad, bro. Made a few bucks scalping Tesla, Peloton, Nvidia. Did you take those Tesla puts that we were talking about yesterday, Christian? Because you were in there last night with us, right? Did Tesla? Because Tesla was holding strong for the most part. And I don't know if it ended up selling off. Subsy.
New big trade.
Thinking of moving from GoCharting to TradingView. Use Sierra. Oh, yeah, Tesla's still up. Tesla's kind of what's holding the market up right now. Nice, good stuff, man. Sick of GoCharting crashing. Yeah, GoCharting has been being a pain in the ass, not gonna lie. So there's that supply, right? We finally broke the low. Remember that was that 800 buyer right here. Let's see what this guy's got. Next level down, right? We're looking for that 80, that 79, 75 level. Well, glad to have you back, man. Hope you had fun though. It's always, you know, that's the whole point of this, is to get that time. Nobody cares about you, Z, okay? We didn't even notice. No, I'm just kidding, bro. Hope you're feeling better. You think you got the cold, or you got the Delta? Hopefully not the Delta, bro. I was actually gonna message you. I wonder if are you gonna be able? I heard they're shutting down a bunch of shit over in Europe. So I don't even know, like, if your flight's in September, you might be stuck in the States for a bit, bro. So there's that pull to that 80. You're seeing some buyers hold. You see this big order just kind of sitting here still. They might just be holding it up, unloading it. Oh, you entered for a few minutes on the open. You're vaccinated? Yeah, well, you know, bro. That's what all the people are saying. People got vaccinated and then they're still getting the what's it called? Yeah, I got a cold a couple weeks ago. You guys remember when I was teaching the boot camp? I was feeling like just straight shit. So hopefully it doesn't last too long. Just drink a bunch of water. Beloach, what do you want me to explain on BTC, bro? What do you want me to explain? You tell me what you want to know, and I will show you. You wouldn't complain if you had to stay. Seeing some buying going on right here too. We could my you guys want to look what this thing looks like in real time? Yeah, so this way you guys can get kind of an idea of how this is working in real time, and we can compare it. I'll do side by side comparison to this chart. So this is the resting orders, right? So these are resting orders, all these orders. And these are orders actually executed. So it's the same as this chart, but there you get to see them by where they trade at, right? So we're seeing, like I said, we're seeing some buyers. So you're seeing some orders get executed on the ask. You had a sell stop right here. That's what this was, a little stop run. And that was because we ran these stops, right? And then you're seeing some supply come in and try to smash this market down, right? We're seeing some all positive delta, so everything's pretty much trading on the buy side. There's not really a lot of sellers, but yet price isn't going up, right? We see that there's no negative delta.
Big trade.
But look at all this selling going on right here. Let's see if some real supply comes in, and if it comes in, we're looking at busting these. So they're defending these pretty decently right now. Look at that. 585, 496 and 1. That's loud, I'm sorry. Elon answered the call. Live trade room went great. Andy's, yeah. Live trade room went great. We caught some nice trades. We actually got some good crypto movement during the US session, so that was nice. But it was great, man. It was great. So this some buyers trying to show their head. Look at this. This is gonna be a rebalancing, so we might get a nice little push up. About 15 minutes till the close. Maybe a little rebalancing. Try to push it up. But yeah, other than that, finally back to the charts. Spartan Wrestler, what's up, man? Yeah, we had a good day today. Glad everyone was able to tune in and check everything out. If you guys are interested and you're not in the trade room, or if you are interested in joining the boot camp and have not had a chance to sign up, we just reopened the last week of August for the live trade room, or for the boot camp. So we're gonna do the last week of the boot camp.
New big
And
trade.
then yeah, that's it. So there's that supply, breaks the low. Finally breaks the low. So now I bet we get the pop that we're looking for. I'm new with your indicator. Is it for a long or and short position? So this is not an indicator. This is called the TPO, the time price opportunity chart, right? So this is what it looks like. We call it the matrix here. Just scroll down, join the Discord, right? We'll get you on track. Definitely tune in for the live streams as they come along. I'll be releasing some videos shortly, and then there's also a website you can go to sign up for the TPO bootcamp. But you can join the Discord first and kind of get a feel for it, and then check out some of the testimonials. If you're trading crypto and you're using Market Cipher or something like that, you've probably been losing money because that indicator is a piece of shit. So just have nothing to fear. See, there's that bounce, guys. See, just like clockwork, right? We had a little release. Buyer said, okay, here you can have it, and then they're going to bring it right back up. Easy. I mean, it wasn't trading, but that would have been an easy trade. Just comes with time, right? It's we trade, we don't care about which way the market trades. We just care about it that it moves so we can make a couple bucks. We're looking to just trade for an income. That's what we're all about. So yeah, other than that, I think your Market Cipher subscription just expired. Yeah. Lucky. I'm lucky you didn't buy it for a lifetime. A lot of people are stuck with that thing forever. But yeah, this is the way that the market makers are trading, Blouch. So if you're looking to trade the way the market makers are trading, this is the way. All right, Scott, we'll see you morning. Are you out of that ETH trade? Or are you just gonna let it ride? It's still going. Bitcoin trade's going too. And if you guys wanted to leave some reviews for the live trade room as well, just for like your first experience in our live trade room. I don't know if it's your first experience in a live trade room, but if you've been in some other ones, give us a comparison. I'd like to share it online, right? So people know kind of what they're getting into, right? That way they can decide if they want to take the red pill or if they want to take the blue pill and keep living in a fantasy land, right? But other than that, I think we might call it. Take a quick look at Bitcoin, real quick, and take a look at ETH too, and then we'll call it. Yeah, this thing's loud. We see where the sellers built their position here, right? Built their position right inside value, pushed it down. We got some initiated selling right on the break. Oof. Ooh, sweet. Oh man, guys. Christmas in August. I want to hold this thing like to 32,000 maybe. Honestly, why not? Maybe to 25,000, the James level. Yeah, you see some buyers come in right here. All right, so this 39.1, some buyers. Still get excess. See if we break some of that excess. Get us a nice little umbrella to turn upside down and make our landing a little bit easier. 2.5% on your account for the day. Hell yeah, Greg. Good stuff, man. Good stuff.
New
Yeah,
big
it worked
trade.
out. And if we look at ETH, like those trades were just, I mean, they were just easy, right? You could have sat through it, but that's just not my style. So we ended up getting long here, pops up. We ended up taking profit on the way up. But as it pulled back and it showed some strength. We got some buyers to come in, so we loaded up again and rode it back up, right? We ended up nailing just one part to the top pretty much before it hit that poor high that it's kind of sitting at right now. This lets you know that there's nobody buying it. So Scott, hopefully you're still rocking that ETH short, because that ETH short's looking juicy. Next stop 7K. Yeah, I'm cool with that. That'd be dope. Yeah, ETH just is coming back into value. That's it. So look for ETH to find some buyers at this point of control, and then if not, look for it to buy or find some buyers down here like this 25.62 level. But other than that, just wanted to jump on, do a review, and yeah, you guys have a wonderful night, evening, day, wherever you're at. Let's take one more look at Facebook before I get off. We're gonna jump on some Call of Duty Cold War here pretty soon. If any of you guys wanna hop on, James and I are gonna hop on there and check it out. Yeah, you guys have a
New big trade.
Wonderful day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.